What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. This is the 1 pound red wiggler bin that I got from Northeast Worms. There's a little party going on. That Dunkin coffee filter, which is kind of neat. Oh my. Oh my gosh, it's all worms everywhere. Still a little bit of that potato. Oh, and a banana worm ball. Yeah, I think they were having a party in that torn up cardboard box. It's awesome. Still got the asparagus. So these guys are going through the bedding also. So they're going to get a nice handful of bedding. Put that food back in the feeding area. So, a little half-eaten frozen apple, a few slices of the watermelon. And because there's still a little bit of food, I'm actually going to go a little easier with these guys, but then I'm going to give them some blended food. I had some carrots and watermelon that I blended all together. So that'll go pretty quick. I'll go ahead and give them a coffee pod from Dunkin, another food source for them. Give them some ground eggshells for grit. Yeah, put it like that. Give the worms something to play with too. Yeah, definitely the pieces of asparagus are just about done, so that's good to see. And man, those worms are having a blast. That makes me very happy. I'll go ahead, add my worm shell on top. and put that big coffee filter back on. And then place the bubble wrap back on top. So these guys should be good for at least another week. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.